Hello everyone, I'm Kavishanan. In this video, I would like to share how to answer interview questions you will most likely be asked. A strong answer to the common interview questions is obviously very crucial to get a job. Most employers ask the same basic questions, so prepare answers before an interview. But don't try to memorize answers word for word. Use the answers only as a guide and don't hesitate to include your own thoughts. So let's begin with the very first question. Tell me about yourself. This question is almost always asked first. It's an all-time favorite interview question because it is a good icebreaker. Your first sentence should be an introduction. Tell your name, address, and academic background. Tell the interviewer why you think your work-related skills would be an asset to the company. See, there is no right or wrong answer to this question. Keep your answer to about 2 minutes long and try to mention your strengths diplomatically to convince the interviewer that you are the suitable candidate for the vacant position. For example, you may answer like, I am a hard worker and I like challenges. I am an easygoing person and I enjoy meeting and working with different people. What do you know about this company? To answer this question, you need to do some research on the company before appearing for the interview, like how old is the company, what are its products and services, what are their current and future projects, where is the company located, what are the current issues, what are its major competitors, what training programs are offered, etc. What experience do you have in this field? Speak about specifics that relate the position you are applying for. If you do not have a specific experience, place emphasis on transferable skills like communication, meeting deadlines, etc. Do you consider yourself successful? Yes, I do consider myself successful. Always answer with yes to this question. Prior to the interview, jot down 1 or 2 of your achievements. This is the time to link your positive qualities and to explain why you think you are a successful person. Why are you leaving your current position? Stay positive even if your previous company has left a negative impression. Employers are looking for candidates with good attitudes, even when working in bad situations. You can mention simply the job was not challenging enough, or you are seeking higher levels of responsibility and ready to make next step on your career ladder. What are your strengths? This is a great question to scan your skills. Mention your strengths that you actually possess. You will be much more convincing if you talk about authentic strengths. There are numerous good answers, but you need to make a list of your top strengths. Jot down everything that comes to your mind. For example, you may answer, I am self-motivated. I do things on a priority basis. Strengths could include your soft skills, your ability to work under pressure, your experience, your leadership skills, your professional expertise, education, training, etc. What is your greatest weakness? Why is he asking this question? Well, some answers will be good answers for certain jobs, while the same answer will be a bad answer for a different job. Don't answer by claiming that you have no weakness. Mention your weakness and discuss what you have done to overcome it. The criteria for the chosen weakness should be real, understandable, work-related, and relatively harmless. You may answer like, I am working on my time management skills. Why should we hire you? To answer this question, you need to know exactly what the employer is looking for. Take several minutes to answer this question, incorporating your strengths, personality traits, and experience into the job you are applying for. This is an opportunity to reiterate your most impressive strengths. If you can relate your strengths to the employer's goals, then your answer will be fine. For example, you may answer, well, I have the skills and experience you are looking for, and I'm quite confident to showcase my skills and excel in this position. Why have you been unemployed for so long? To answer this question, talk about the activities you have been doing during the period of unemployment. Let the interviewer know that the time off was spent productively. For example, you may answer, I was taking care of family members with some freelance projects. I enrolled myself for some skill development courses. Tell me about your ability to work under pressure. The best answer to this question is answering yes. Working under pressure is a good trait to have. For example, you may answer, I work well under pressure because I don't panic. I keep myself calm and work as efficiently as possible. Are you more comfortable working as a part of a team or individually? The answer should be positive. Put some examples and show that you perform for the good of the team rather than for the good of yourself. For example, you may answer, I realized that working in a team increases the work performance and the project gets completed in a timely and efficient manner. Where do you see yourself in 5 years? Your answer should state that you see yourself 2 to 3 levels above your current level. Discuss career goals, aspirations, and how your current experience will get you there. For example, you may answer, in 5 years, I see myself in a management position. Are you applying for other jobs? Be honest, but do not spend a lot of time in this area. Keep your focus on this job and what you can do for this organization. Anything else is a distraction. So that's all in this video. Hope this video will be helpful in your interview preparation. Please subscribe to my channel to check out my upcoming videos. Thank you so much for watching this video.